Hey, and welcome or welcome back. My name is Shay. If this is your first time seeing me, hi. Today I was watching Naruto Shippuden all day, like all day. On my lunch break I would watch it, work, and then when I finished work I continued watching it, but you didn't come to hear that. I was feeling a little bit sad, and usually when I'm feeling that way randomly, I want to do something to cheer myself up. So today I wanted to do a little makeup therapy video. The whole time I was watching Naruto, I had this vision, this green eye makeup look that I really wanted to try, and so I turned everything off, came in here, so I'm gonna record that today. Yeah, so no more rambling, let's get into the look. So I have been doing so many natural skin-like makeup looks, but I have not gone back to like fuller medium glam looks, and I don't know, I really am missing them right now, so I wanted to just show myself that I could do it on top of trying to do a little makeup therapy. So this will be fun, no matter how it looks or comes out. Then I'm going to go into the Zulu Juvia's Place palette. These are the colors. Stunning, very bright. I really was looking forward to getting this palette because I don't have any bright colors, because I got into a mode of only doing neutrals, so I was only buying neutral shade palettes. So at least this is a nice one to have on hand with a few brighter colors. I want one that has rainbow in it so that I could really try some different looks and get back to doing lots of different styles. Next, I'm going in with my Soft Glam palette. If you have this, it is the shade Cypress Umber. If you don't have this, it's a dark brown, like the shade of my sweater. This is what it looks like. Great. We all know it looks disgusting. Will I get a new one? Hopefully soon. But taking that and patting it in the outer corner right here. And in case you didn't know, which you might, gently patting, depending on the formula, can help with fallout, because sometimes when you sweep, it flicks it off and then you get powder all over your face right here. So that's why I like to gently pack it on. And then as it's packed on, then blend it out. Next, for the part that I've been daydreaming of, will it turn out like I want? We will see. I'm going to take this green shade in the center on a flat brush and pat that on. I wonder how it would look if I just did it with my finger. Let's try. Oh, just do it with your finger. Carefully do it with your finger. So happy. The only colors that I've used for the past at least 3 months is brown, tan, beige, and brown. So this is a very refreshing change already. And if you find yourself losing some of that color, just feel free to go back in and repat it over. Usually would go in with liner right about now, but I'm gonna go in with mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. Next, instead of the normal Cavalli lashes that I would reach for, I'm going to do some little clusters. So I'm going to use the black side of the glue paired with these and just stick them on to get like a full fake lash effect. Go with these clusters, taking it, on the top, on the end. So I'll just continue to do that all the way and do the same thing to the other one. I will come back when one eye is done. So this is one done, one undone. Just wanted to show the subtle difference. I wanted to do something instead of a 25mm lash because quite frankly, I'm getting tired of that trend. So I need to shop for new ones. And I know since it's the holidays, I won't be getting anything with the way shipping is right now. God bless the USPS workers. So I'm gonna continue this on the other side. All right, we're going to take a break from the eyes and move on to foundation. So I am going to be going in with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Layer Foundation and mixing it with a little bit of the Shiseido Skin Synchro Self-Refreshing Foundation. A mouthful, but these are them. And I'm mostly going to go for this one because it is a deeper shade. I've been noticing that in my pictures or in my videos, my foundation is looking a little bit light, so I wanted to try something a little bit deeper so then I could go ahead and brighten it up with concealers, as one should. I'm going to try to keep this deeper shade on the perimeters of my face. So I'm just pulling it to spread it, and then to blend it, I am patting. Next, I'm going to go in with this concealer. This is in Tan Neutral from e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Okay, let's try that out and see how it blends. Got a damp beauty blender right here. Ooh, you know what I forgot? This blends, I mean it dries down pretty fast. So we're gonna switch to a brush. Ooh, she is dry. That dried down very, very fast. You see what happens when you don't touch your makeup and you just leave it and stick to one thing? You forget how it works. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and bronze now. This is so nice and warm. This is the Sephora Collection Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. Very good. And this is the Fenty Stick in Truffle. Definitely more of a contour shade. So I think I'm going to opt for this more reddish tone. Put it on my temples and on my forehead here. I'm going to try to curve this higher. Try to bring my face shape up instead of down because, I don't know, I feel like my side profile, everything just goes very diagonal. So for my makeup today, I'm going to try to do it a little bit higher, see if it makes a difference. I am taking the end of this beauty blender and bouncing it upward. Ooh, I like that. And my forehead. Personally, I like how red it looks. I have really, really been wanting to have like a dramatic bronze contour look. This is number 16 instead of 17. 17 I used to bronze the outside of my face. This one is more of a neutral tone. The other one is very red. So I'm just going to put 2 lines down the side of my nose, one right here, very light one here, and above. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and blend that out. You don't have to contour your nose, of course, but I just wanted to do like a, just wanted to do a full look. And other side. I really have to be careful with how I blend it out because sometimes it can make my nose look crooked. And lightly going around and filling it in. And blend that along and pat some down the center. And this is the Cosmetics You know, when I was looking at these, I thought they were way, way bigger. But I'm gonna take, oh! Uh, all right, let's try this again. I'm gonna take this and put a drop on my face and not on my sweater. Then brush it up into the temples. And this blush is nice because it leaves a really pretty sheen on the skin. I could have went with the Rare Beauty Grateful, which is the red one, but I don't want to look too clashing. I want to do color and everything that's not tan, but let me ease back into it. I'm not putting on any more cream products, so I'm just going to use the brush that I use my foundation with and pat that under the eye, avoiding where I just put that blush, which as you saw sheared out very much, but it just left a really beautiful dew on the skin, so I don't want to disturb that. I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Bronzing Powder. Take some of this on a brush and go under my eyes, just so I can softly tie the look together. I have small eyes, or so I think they're small. Some people tell me that I don't, but I know my eye shape. They feel small to me. So when I put eyeliner, it really, really closes my eyes. So eyeliner in combination with heavy lashes, I look like some sleepless witch. So my trick is not putting any dark eyeliner in my waterline, but going under and softly diffusing the look like this, and then I'll go in with mascara at the bottom, if I do. Sometimes I don't, but I'm gonna tie in the look today. Taking a little bit of the Glossier Future Dew in the back of my hand, less than half of the pump. Taking my finger, blending it, and I'm going to put some on the bridge of my nose. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Retractable Waterproof Eyeliner. And this one is an eyeliner, yes, but it doubles as my lip liner. So I'm going to be honest with you, my look personally is not over until I have a lip gloss on me, and I am an addict. I have a whole bunch of lip glosses. I collect lip glosses, and these are not my only lip glosses. I'm going to do a huge lip gloss try-on video so you can see what I'm talking about when I say I have a lot. This is just a few pink, neutral, nudie shades. Let's do a little bit of a process of elimination. I have the Kevin Kwan. This one has the gold glitter flecks in it. Super beautiful, goes on sheer, it's a great shine. I got the new Fenty lip cream. That one's a pretty pinky tone. Then we have the Juvia's Place Barely There lip gloss. This one, quite thick and like that pinky white in between the space. Maybe I'm thinking this, and but then I have this little mini one in the shade Taffy, the Taffy Tease from Fenty. So I think we're gonna go with this combo. Ooh, well, maybe I'll try on a couple of combos because lip gloss is my absolute favorite. But I'm gonna go ahead straighten with the Fenty Glow, their new lip cream, and apply a thin layer. Pretty. So that's that by itself. And with this in the center with the Barely There Juvia's Place gloss. Such a beautiful shade. This actually looks so good. I'm so glad that I got up to do my makeup because it was really like, Shay, come on. You've been in a little mood all day, so let's get you out and do something different. This is the one. No, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and finish up this look. Okay. This is it. This is the one. This is me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe because there will be more videos like this where I do full glam because she's back. We're going to be doing this now in combination with some everyday stuff, but more glam. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.